Good day, I'm Raman Hamistan, and this presentation summarizing the key finding from our Project 2 for SEC I2143 Probability and Statistical Data Analysis. Our team analyzed the 2023 World Happiness Report dataset using R programming to explore the relationship between GDP per capita and happiness score across countries. The dataset, published by the United Nations Sustainable Development Solution Network, ranked countries by happiness score based on several indicators. For our analysis, we focus on GDP per capita, social support, and healthy life expectancy to determine how these variables contribute to national well-being. We use data from 146 countries, cleaned for missing value and transformed where appropriate statistical analysis was performed in R using the tidyverse stat and ggplot2 ggplot2 packages. Key tests included a new sample z-test, Pearson correlation, linear regression, and ANOVA. A one-sample z-test was conducted to assess whether the mean global happiness score exceed a benchmark of 5.0. The test yielded a z value of 5.54, well beyond the critical value of 1.645. This allowed us to reject the null hypothesis and conclude that the global happiness score is significantly higher than 5.0. Next.
For correlation analysis, next regression correlation reveal a strong positive linear relationship between GDP per capita and happiness score. With a correlation coefficient at approximately 0.78, the result was statistically significant with a p-value less than 0.05. For regression analysis, our regression model shows that GDP per capita significantly predicts happiness score. The regression equation is happiness score equal negative 1.4587 plus 0.7406 times GDP per capita. This means for every 1 unit increase in GDP per capita log scale, the happiness score increased by about 0.74. The R-square value of 0.6152 indicate the over 61% of the variation in happiness can be explained by GDP per capita. For ANOVA test, to confirm the model validity, we performed an ANOVA test. The p-value was less than 0.05, indicating the GDP per capita significantly affect happiness score. For conclusion, the findings suggest the economic prosperity plays a significant role in national well-being. Countries with higher GDP per capita tend to report greater life satisfaction. This project not only deepens our understanding of statistical testing in R, but also highlight how data can uncover real-world insight into global happiness. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you.